Okay, guys. Smiley, pay attention. And you, Sylvia, pay attention. Yeah. Finally, we're looking at a problem, and we're looking at how we use this language in different ways today. So it's really important to remember, and this is a Brazilian Spanish problem. When we're talking about present habit, we use the word usually, not this one. This word, used to, only refers to past habit, and it's really important to remember this. So the question would be, do you usually do this? Do you usually do that? Present habit, asking about our general habits. A lot of people from Brazil and Spain seem to switch the word usually for this one in the present habit, and it's wrong, it doesn't work. If we want to ask about past habit, we can say, did you used to smoke when you were a child? Did you used to do something? Here, present habit, we're asking, do you usually? Does he usually? But in the past, we'd say, did he used to do that? So it's really important to differentiate between these two. Usually, we usually use the present simple to talk about present habit. Present simple, present habit. Here's an example. I usually eat out once a month. Nice example. Past habit, just like we learned earlier on today in this term, I used to smoke, but I don't smoke anymore. I used to smoke. Did you used to do that? Did you used to do that when you were a child? No, I didn't. I used to smoke, but I don't smoke anymore. Things like that. Past habit, past simple. And of course, I decided at the same time to teach this language. It uses used to, but it's the language of familiarity. And it uses used to in a different way. Firstly, it uses it in the present. I am or I am not. Have a look. If we are familiar with something, we can use this language. I am used to working in big cities, maybe at the beginning you could say, I'm not used to working in big cities because it's very new to me. But then slowly you say, I'm getting used to working in big cities. And finally, after you've done it for a while and you are familiar with it, you can say, I'm used to working in big cities now. It doesn't cause me any problems. So we use this language. Usually we use it with the verb to be. I am, or he is, or they are. With used to plus a verb in the ing form. And this is really strange because after the to, the preposition to, the next verb is usually always infinitive. But there are some circumstances where it isn't, and this is one of them. So it's very rare. So remember, if you're using this language, the language of familiarity, we need to say, I am used to verbing. I'm used to working in big cities. I'm used to doing that job now because I've been doing it for a long time. So, positive, I am used to working in big cities. Negative, I am not used to working in big cities. And we can use this, I am getting used to working in big cities when we're sort of in the middle of that process. Okay? So, and something else which really took our attention this term. Thank you.